been having so many technical difficulties this morning. And if you happen to see a live notification that was set up for today, which would be the 4th of July, I apologize. I was testing StreamYard, so that's something new. But hey, what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about this. This is the Pitboss 2. So before we get into it any further, you know what time it is. If you're listening on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Further, playing in the background is Sorted Food. These is a bunch of British dudes. Some of them are chefs, some of them are normals. It's a great channel. I can't remember if I've linked it before. I watch this channel all the time. It's one of my favorite food channels out there. They have all kinds of food challenges. They use unique ingredients and stuff like that. So, in going with the theme of supporting the channels you love, I love this channel. Go give them a like. I can't afford to send them any money, but I definitely can send them some subscribers. So, that being said, what are we talking about? This is the ADV Pitboss 2. This came in from Beardo The Weirdo, one of the paying members. So I really appreciate this. We may be doing some work on it, but he sent it in. I wanted to do an unboxing. It didn't film the way I wanted it to, so we scrapped that. But what we're doing is a first impression. So let's go ahead, and without any further ado, let's meet up down at the counter and take a good look at the ADV Pitboss 2. It is, as I said in the title, beastly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have to say that now because we actually have a significant more number of female viewers than we have ever had. So what are we looking at now? We are looking at the ADV Pitboss 2. A lot of the information I need to know about this knife is on it. So this is a button lock flipper, large aperture. This is a gorgeous knife, and it is a monster. It is, size-wise, more than 9 inches. I'm not going to get into any specs or anything because I haven't looked them up. I do believe that this is the bead that Beardo The Weirdo won in the giveaway with the Prolix, if you guys remember. So this is a button lock flipper. Action on this stupid smooth. It does have, I like this idea. I have mentioned this before on button locks. I like this idea. You can lock the knife open and you can lock the knife closed, and you're going to see why I'm going to say that's a good idea. Open, not as big a deal, but when it closes, let me see if I can get this in frame. That thing closes with authority. The angle I'm at is not going to, it's going to prevent it, but watch this. Like, that is a big, heavy blade. It will finger flick with the aperture. I imagine if you've got smaller hands than me, you could probably get into, no, you can, I can too. So let's take a look at it. So it's obviously S35 VN steel. This was made in 2000, and I can't tell if that's 2021 or 2001. Hang on just a second. Let's clean that up and take a look. Not going to do any scraping, but I am going to use this tiny little screwdriver here just to brush over that. It looks to me as though that says 2021. So that's the 3/6/2021. I don't know if that's number 36 of 2021 or what. And I have knocked the camera off center. I apologize. So yeah, I saw one of these on Metal Complex. I saw the picture. Really liked it. I will say I am a fan of this pocket clip. These pocket clips that he does with the rollers are good in and out of pocket. Even there's, you can see significant amount of tension on that. And it's easy to get in and out of pocket. But on the flip side, this one has a single point, only one screw holding it in place, and you get that movement on them. I may be taking this knife apart. Haven't decided. Sometimes these ADVs are a pain with the pivot design that they have. So, but yeah, like I said, I like that lock. Now, as far as the blade, take a good close look at that blade. That is gorgeous. Nightmare grind style blade. Really nice, deep and shallow hollow here, thicker up front. This does cut really well. I had to. You know I had to. If I get a knife like this in my hand, I've got to cut with it. Just really attractive lines. Handles are really attractive. Looks like shredded carbon fiber. I'm assuming that this is all titanium aligners, titanium hardware. I'm not 100% sure, because like I said, I have not looked it up yet. But Beardo the Weirdo had asked me if I can maybe anodize these parts, so we will see. But yeah, there is a roller in this pocket clip that allows you to have some pretty stiff tension, but still focus, get it in and out of pockets really easily. Really similar to the ceramic ball idea of having a ceramic ball in a pocket like I have in my Olamic, that is really easy in and out of pockets. This thing flips incredibly easily for as large as it is, and it's relatively light. I'm doing a side-by-side comparison. It's not that much different than my Grimsmo Norseman. I think a lot of that has to do with the fact there is a lot of carbon fiber on this knife, and it's all been milled. I don't really see any internal milling, but I haven't looked all that close. So really attractively nice knife. There we go. Let's get all the words out, Mike. Let's say it all in English. I don't know why autofocus doesn't want to work today. So there you guys go. First impressions of the ADV Pitboss 2. I'm stoked. It's pretty beastly, and the only issue I've got with it so far is, depending on how I hold it, it kind of feels like it's rolling in my hand a little bit. It could just be the size of that pocket clip, and until I get used to it. I have that happen with some knives. It doesn't make them bad knives. It just makes them, they feel a little awkward in my hand. You can see how that's kind of angled off. Not a showstopper, just sometimes makes it less appealing to me. But like I said, nothing at all wrong with this knife. Just, man, that is a massive chunk of steel and carbon fiber. Sorry, I had to do some editing. I was talking about some stuff that was going on in the end that I'm going to say, and just got ahead of myself. So like I said, guys, great knife. Let's go ahead and we'll meet up and we'll do some final thoughts. So yeah, like I said, monster oversized flipper. This thing is huge. It does roll in my hand a little bit. I think I mentioned that. It's just one of those things that it has a lot to do with the size of my hands. With a lot of knives, I have really large hands, and sometimes they just don't fit exactly the way I want them to. But you know, it doesn't detract from anything on the knife. It is an extremely nice knife, and it is very attractive. So yeah, so we'll get into it. We'll do a full review of this in the future. I haven't looked at any specs, any prices, anything like that, so that's why you guys don't see them. First impressions, you know, just out of the box. So that being said, guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but tell me why. Share the videos if you can. That does definitely help the channel. If you want to support the channel financially and monetarily, we have more members now than I've ever had. We've got like 30 members. It's making it hard keeping this scroll up at the end in check and making sure it's accurate. So you can do that. You can join on a monthly membership. If you like a specific video, there is what they call a super like now. It used to be applause. It's basically giving me a tip saying, hey, way to go, that was a really good video, like it. And just those are simple things. I have affiliate links down below, Ember Shirt Co. They have all kinds of really good shirts and designs. This is actually one of their in-house designs. This is the native hook design. If you use my affiliate link, I think you are still getting entered into this giveaway that they're doing, massive $2,000 giveaway. So there's that. And yeah, guys, all the other affiliate links and stuff down below, absolutely support the channel. I love you guys. Keep it clean in the comment section. As to Cinnamon Toast Ken likes to say, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Keep it clean in the comment section so I don't have to moderate that. And I will see you in the next video.